everybody, welcome back to Set 2 Sounds with Joy. We are going to be doing a new sound today, our reading of the OO words. But before we start, let's get our brains warmed up and think about the sounds we've learnt so far. So, I've got our sound cards here. I'm going to mix them up. And we're going to go through them. I'll show you the sound, you shout it out. Let's see, can you remember all the sounds we've learnt so far? A, E, I, O. Can you think of any words with these in? I'll go through them again and have a think. Can you think of a word with the sound? A. Can you think of a word with the A sound? Like play or day. What about E? Can you think of a word with the E sound? C or three? I. Can you think of a word with our I sound in? What about the word night? Night. Or high. O. What words can you think of with the O sound? Blow. Slow. Right, quick flash. Just the sounds this time. I'm going to mix them up again. I'm not very good at mixing, as we know. Right, are we ready? On your marks, get set, go. Louder, quick, quick, quick. Well done. Right, now our brains are warmed up ready. Let's start a new sound. This is a stinky sound. Oh dear. This sound is ooh, poo at the zoo. Oh dear. Can you say it? Ooh. Poo at the zoo. Oh, stinky sound. Not sure I like this one. Ooh. When we see the two letters like this, it's the ooh sound. Ooh. Poo at the zoo. Oh dear. Let's stick that up there to help us remember that our two letters make the ooh sound. What sound? Ooh. Let's have a look at our words. Right. I'll Fred talk them, read the word. Then your turn, Fred talk, read the word. My turn first. Z, ooh. Z, ooh. Has anybody got any ideas? Z, ooh. Zoo. I went to the zoo. Your turn, Fred Talk. One more. Read the word. Zoo. Oh, the animals were at the zoo. Right, here's another one. My turn, Fred Talk. Two. My turn, Fred Talk. Two. Any ideas? Read the word. Two. Now, this word, two, can come in different ways. This word can be the number two. It can mean I'm going to the shops. Or this version is, it was just too much. It was too loud. Oh, that was too hard. So if you see two written like this, it means when something is too much. Two. You, Fred, taught the word. Can you read it? Two. It was too much. If I'm going to the shops, it would just be one. Oh, that's a red word. If I was doing the number, another red word, it's got a W. That's the number two. That's going to. That was, it was too much. So much to remember when we're doing our sounds. Right. Let's have a look at this word. Ooh. Right. Ood. Ood. Food. Oh, I could hear that one when I sounded it. You, Fred, talk it, read the word. See if you can hear it. Read the word. Food. Right, let's have a quick recap. What was this word? Zoo. Two. Food. Oh, let's have a look at the sounds in this word. Oon. Oon. Moon. Moon. Fred, talk. Can you read it? We see the moon at night. Let's add it to our words we can read. Now this one always makes me chuckle because I think I sound like I'm from Liverpool when I read it. Fred, talk. Ool. Ool. Pool. Pool. This one can sound a bit different with accents. Pool. The swimming pool. Can you, Fred, talk it? Once more. Read the word. Pool. Right. We've got an extra sound in this one, so we have to be careful. My turn, Fred Talk. Spoon. Fred Talk again, Joy. Spoon. Read the word. Spoon. 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 Can you, Fred, talk the word? One more. Read the word. Spoon. What sound was in all of our words? Ooh. Let's check our reading. Zoo. 2. Food. Moon. Pool. Spoon. Right, I'm going to point. You tell me what it says. 2. Moon. Food. Spoon. Zoo. Pool. There are words for today. What was our sound? Ooh. I'm going to add it to our sounds. Mix, mix, mix. Shout it out when you see our ooh sound. Did you spot it? It was there, wasn't it? Right, mix, mix again. Right, ready, really quick. Make sure I can hear you all the way from here when you shout out, ooh. I heard you. Right, now you know it. Let's do all our sounds together. A, E, O, I, ooh. Well done for learning another new sound. Keep on practicing so you can remember how to use your sounds when you're reading and writing. I'll see you all soon for more Set 2 Sounds with Joy. Bye guys.